Alright, so I'm like sitting here just staring at, the whiteboard, and I see lots of stuff, the four corners of the earth, one, two, three, four. It makes a square-based pyramid or an octahedral light source coming in and out of the page. But yeah, that's a 0, that's a 1, 76, 1,000, and 6436. When you do the math, okay, adds up to 7513. I found that interesting because on your hand in a certain way, you can get to 75, and then 76 is like the rest of you, and then 13 is obviously important because it like shows up everywhere. It shows up in a really big J C with an M and a really big M, okay, and there's a 13 here and a 13 here, and 76 is a 13, and there are actually, if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones that make the really big M up. So, all these things are very interesting, like 174 right here. 174 magnets are required inside of heaven, okay? Because you have 32 times 5 rings, plus the 14 axles. And then you have 42 magnets on the big ring. 42 magnets on the big wheel, 8 magnets on the exterior of the little wheel, equaling 50. You have 6 faces and 8 vertices. 50 times 14 is 700. 700 plus 174 is 874. In my other videos, I talk about that number somewhere around here. Anyway, so, alright, these shows, they talk about the story of creation of energy. Okay, Genesis 1 is the story of creation of energy. Okay, I got the 4th day, I got the time. So by time, you should be able to do this, I think. I think the rest of the story will go downwards and will create the X down here, that I've already done like 1,000 times. Which will make an 8 by 16, which then I'll have to fill in this other half, which will be a challenge maybe, or whatever. But then I'll have, completed the 8 by 16, and then I should find a way to make a 16 by 16, and yada 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 yada. So I'm going to try to build one of these out of wood. It does not look easy. Does not look cheap. I know what 874 magnets are going to cost me with shipping. But yeah, a little bit of copper, some epoxy, a whole bunch of sandpaper and glue and wood and stuff, and see what happens. But yeah, I mean, what a day. It's a beautiful day outside today. I'm gonna get stuff done. I'm gonna pack. So yeah, I had to get this done. This had to get out of my system. It is now off my chest and onto a whiteboard. I've actually made like a picture with my iPad. It's really cool. I think I'm gonna make like t-shirts or something. I think t-shirts would be cool. I'd wear one. Where is it? Yeah, apologies, guys. Oh, there we go. There you go. Those are the numbers. Yeah, that's right. You autosave. There you go. I didn't draw the great big M because, it was getting like kind of clustered. It was my first try, And there's the rest of it so far. Okay. Pretty important stuff. I'd say so. But, that's me. It just, whatever, right? I mean, yeah. Yeah, there's your cross. The 89. There you go. Isn't that nice, eh? Fancy, fancy. Alright, well, yeah, this could be important, your flux capacitor of life or something, but, or not. Have a good one.